this symbol I'm talking about,
Less than, sir.
b less than -6 is valid. But in older versions, they used to have underscore. Okay, that's why. So the play dot was essentially is a variable now having multiple words. Okay, in the previous version, they used to have underscore. That's why if you see old documentation, you don't find like this variable names. When you want to use multiple words in a as a variable name in Python or in Java, okay, you see this kind of syntax. But here you will see more as dots. But nowadays, okay, for the current version, this is also valid. But if you see olden documentation, you will see only these kind of things. Good. Current version of R source underscore as a valid identifier, but it is a good practice to use period as a word separator. Okay, only a recommendation. If you use period as a word separator, it can even you can even run that in a what older versions of R comfortably. Okay, it is not what we call it as a thing to be followed, but it is a good recommendation. So instead of using underscore as a word separator, it's recommended to use dot in R. Okay, for example, a dot variable dot name is preferred. I'm not saying is correct, is preferred over what a underscore variable underscore name. Or else we have one more way of writing the variable name, that is known as what camel case. Can you tell me what is a camel case? We used in Java. We use camel case more in Java.
ID, sir.
Yes, except first word, all other
That
words
is the
starting letter
capital
will be
word, sir.
capital. Uh, except first word. First word won't be a capital ma. Except first word, remaining all words, first letter will be a capital. Then it is known as what? Camel case. Then it is known as what? Camel case. Okay. See, first one is small, remaining word. So either this is preferable or else this is preferable over using underscore. Why? Because in older version underscore was used as what? As a assignment operator. So this is about variables. Now we'll be seeing constants. Okay, you know the definition of constant. So directly we'll be going with what is the first one, that is a numeric constant. Okay, what is the numeric constant? All the numbers falls under this category. Whatever numbers are there, all the numbers. Can you change the value of 2 to 3?
No, sir.
Can I change the value of 2 equal to 3? No, because 2 is a constant. That's it. So all the numbers, let it be decimal numbers or any numbers, hexa, octa numbers, hexa numbers, let it be anything, falls under this categories. Okay. If you want to check what type is, we should use what type of function. Okay. If you want to check the type in Python, what is the function we use? If you want to check the type, what is the function we use in Python?
Uh, Types.
Very good. We use type type, but here we'll use what? typof of. This is one of the difference between Python and R. Okay, in syntax. Remember, I'll write it here.
Yes, sir.
In Python, we use type. That's it. Okay.
There is no camel case for this type of oil function.
No. No camel case. These are pre-defined functions, ma. Here, camel case is a suggestion for you for a variable names.
Okay.
Okay. Here, camel case is a suggestion for you for writing a variable names. Dot or underscore like that. Okay. Here, no camel case. In normal functions, here we don't have camel case. Okay.
Yes.
This type of function here. but in Python we use function. Good. Okay. Okay, one more thing, numeric constants are followed by L. Okay, regardless whether that will be about. Okay, if they are integers, they are followed by L, and if they are complex numbers, they are followed by I. We will see. How to run this, Kuma? Only this line. How to run this line? Type of 5.
Make the cursor at that line or select that
On
whole
that
line.
line and run.
Run. Good. That's it. So, what is type of 5? Type of 5 is double. Next, automatically cursor will go to next. See, when I run this, the cursor after running this will go here. Observe carefully. Yes. Again, if I run, it will go to next line. Whatever be the empty lines, it skips.
Sir, doubts.
If you
Sir,
yes, sir?
5 is an integer, no, sir.
No, that I will discuss when I discuss about data types. Okay. Data types I will be discussing in next class, ma. Here I will tell you why it is double. Clear? I will rectify that. Don't
Okay,
worry.
sir.
In data types. Now we are in introduction part. After data types class, it will be get clarified. Internally, it stores like that. That's the thing. I will tell you. Don't worry about that. So if I give integer of 5, 5L, then only it will store it as integer. If you don't give anything, it will store it as double. But if I give it I, it will store it as complex number. What does I stand for in complex number?
Iota.
Imaginary part.
Yes, imaginary part. That's it. Very good. So these are about numeric constants. Next we have what? Our character constants. Whatever you declare in what? Single quotes or double quotes is a character constant. Okay. What are the different ways of defining a character constants in Python? How many ways are there? Single quotes is valid.
Yes, sir.
Sir?
Double quotes, triple quotes.
Uh, single quotes, double quotes, single, triple quotes. Okay. Likewise, you can declare a what a text in Python. But here we have only two ways, like we have in C, C++ or Java. Single quotes or double quotes. Okay, we'll run this. Hello. Successfully run. Next world done. Now tell me, what is the type of 5?
Right, sir.
Double.
Double.
Character. What is the difference? This is not in single quotes now, ma. Type of 5. This one is double. But here I am giving it in a double quotes, no? See the difference. Observe the difference. What is the difference?
Quotes.
Value.
Double quotes.
If I give double quotes or single quotes, it's a character constant, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you should be careful. Here type of 5 will give you double, type of 5 of L will give you integer. But when I use single quotes or double quotes, that is converted into what? A character. Okay, be cautious. Good. Here we have some built-in constants, built-in character constants. Okay, we'll see what are the built-in character constants. See, letters is one of the built-in character constants. See, when I run letters, can you guess what can be the output? It is a character constant, means it has some characters in it. Can you guess what can be that character? Just a guessing.
Special characters.
Yeah, someone replied me like, "Ma, no need to reply privately. You can make it visible to all. I don't have any problem. Even if you unmute also, I don't have any problem." So someone replied like all characters. Yes, all characters. Yes. So you can use this comfortably. Now tell me, what will be the output of these letters?
All small alphabets.
Very good. All small alphabets. Okay, when you give all capital, it will give all capital. If you give all small, it will give all. This one. 1 second. Sorry. This one. Capital L remaining smalls.
Maybe one small and capital.
Error. Okay, that is not a constant here. Fine. Clear, ma? We have either capital letters or small letters. We don't have a combination of them. It is a normal variable name. That's it. Now pi means will give pi value 3.14. Now tell me month dot names. Can you guess? It's easy to guess.
And it will be
July, August.
January.
All names of the month. Now tell me month dot ABB. Guess. Yes. Abbreviations, ma. Okay, here it is complete name, no January. Here it will give Jan, Feb, March. Understood the difference between month dot name, month dot ABB? Yes, no,
Yes, sir.
yes, good,
See,
very good. But a note, okay, these are about character constant, but a note. Okay, what is the note? A suggestion is that it is not good to rely on this. It is not good to rely on this. 1 second, I got a doubt. Uh, I did not understand your doubt, ma. Pin number 4. Can you unmute and say? Okay. Or else you can post in WhatsApp group. We can have a discussion there. Okay. See, what it is okay. These are built-in constants, but they are implemented as a variables. These are built-in constants, but when you come to R console, they are implemented as a variable. So what happens is, see, normally what is pi value? 3.14. But when you try to assign pi equal to something 56, it is being assigned. See, pi value has been changed or not? The output of them is a constant, but not these names. These names are like normal variables or a function name, which can be modified. Understood? A small difference is there. If you click on letters, these are the constants. These are the constants, not these. Okay, this is a variable. In this variable, you are having these constants. Okay, even if you take months also, okay, these are the constants, character constants, but not these. Okay, this is a normal like a function name which can be modified. So a suggestion is that we should not blindly rely on them. We should be careful with them.
sir, if we assign a value for letters, it will give the value as a, sir.
Oh yeah, we'll do it. I'm doing that. Is this your doubt?
Yes, sir. If we assign,
Okay. Do you want to give me a character value or a numeric value?
here we show any character value.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, that's what I'm talking about. Okay.
Means the letters which have its constant value will be constant, no, sir. The values will be constant.
The data in that letters is a constant by default in beginning, but letters, see, we'll go with month's name. It will be better. Okay. Months dot name is not a constant. The data which is present in it is a constant. Okay, the data you're deleting and you can give a new name. It will add up here. See, these are my variables now. Variable
Yes, sir.
environment. Now see. Okay, equal to, I will give my name. Okay, see here, I don't have months dot name. Yes, now I click on enter. Added months dot name equal to Mujib. Yes,
Yes, sir.
so you understood?
Yes, sir.
In that the data, Isma? Yes, any doubt?
We got it, sir.
Yeah. Good. Okay, some built-in constants. So those are built-in constants with their values. Okay, this is a thing. Okay, we have few more minutes. We'll continue operators in next class. Okay, in coming class, we'll be seeing what are the different operators, arithmetic, relational, logical, assignment operators. After operators, we'll be seeing precedence and associativity. Then simple how to take input into R, like our scanf function or input function, then working with test. Okay, this will give a brief introduction. Any doubt so far, ma?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, see, once the script is completed, I will share the script with you. Okay, once I am
Sir.
done with the explanation of this complete script,
Sir,
yes, ma.
sir, can't we write as months dot name? Yes.
Yes, means as a variable or what?
Variable, sir.
Variable you can write whatever you want. Month dot name equal to 5. Yes,
Okay, sir.
as a variable you can write, but see, it will give suggestions. See, is it giving suggestions? Okay, months dot ABB, some suggestions. See here, right side, can you see? Constant built in R. Okay, if I click on this, it gives me abbreviation. Not only this, we have many things. Months dot name. Okay, what is that? I will see. It needs some abbreviation. Months. Extract the weekday, month, and quarter of the Julian time dates in some origin. Okay, I have to see help and I should see ma. Months dot date. Oh yes, tell me how to search for the help for months dot date. Just add question mark. Yes. Will it work or not? See. Okay, you get the help here and you have to search for it. Okay, there will be many hundreds of functions based on your requirement. You can do.
I have
Fine.
one doubt, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, once you can clear the concept, sir. Once you
Sorry.
can clear the concept, sir. If we, hello, sir.
Which concept? Yeah, which concept, ma?
If we give A value as 3, sir, once
Yeah, okay.
value as 3.
A equal to 3. One second, I will follow the standard rule. Yeah. Huh.
And after executing that, if we give letters as a letters value is equal to A, then what will we get the value of A? Letters?
Okay, okay. Capital letters L E T T. Sorry. Letters
We give assign A, sir. Then what
Huh.
will be the value of letter, sir?
Okay, observe carefully here. You should observe, you can observe it here. Okay, here you're telling A equal to 3.
Yes, sir.
Then in letters there is 777. Do you want me to these are small letters which is not there here?
Here we sir, no problem. Big capital letters is okay, sir.
Huh.
Now if you press the letters, what will get?
No, okay, don't print. If you even and press the enter,
Ah, yes, sir.
see what is what will happen here.
Environmental.
See,
Okay,
got it?
okay. Sir.
Hmm?
Means
No,
if
no.
we okay already A is defined with an value, then
Value.
letters will also get that values.
That's it. As simple as it. Okay.
Okay.
Same thing you can do with see. Pi value is some this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Same. Pi equal to I will make it B. Here B is there 6. B value is
Yes,
6
sir.
now. Get it updated.
Okay.
Even month dot name is Mujib.
Okay, sir.
This also you can modify. Anything you can modify.
I say if
Even,
one dot name value is containing a string or sir, characters, we can
it
change it
will
to
yes,
integer, sir. Also,
yes, we can change.
we can
Because
change the type of.
because you are not giving data types, no. We use int a only in C, C++, Java, but Python and R are free from those declarations. Yes or no? Dynamically typed variables.
Yes, sir.
You might have heard in
Yes,
Python.
sir.
Here also variables are dynamically typed.
Means you can change the
Okay,
data
not
type of any constant.
yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can change it, no problem. But once you declare like this, see, int a equal to 5. Generally do it in C or C++.
Ah, yes, sir.
These cannot be changed. It will throw an error. Okay, but here these are free from data types.
Data
Okay,
types.
dynamically typed variables. Okay, any more doubts, ma?
Sir, last class we did
Yes.
not attend, sir. Friends. You can share the R Studio and R links so we can download.
R?
Yes, sir.
No,
R Studio.
okay, I will share the link in WhatsApp group, ma.
Yes, sir. We will
Directly you
download
can
from
do. Even if you missed last class, don't worry. Tomorrow in lab, you will get the clear clarity. Okay. Fine. Good. Any more doubts, ma?